stop playing with him.
Jdavinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Alright, so today I'm gonna be doing a review on the new BH Cosmetics liquid foundation. It says it's a naturally flawless. Oh my gosh, I don't know, let's play. Get out. I got the shade 220 medium rose. It just looked like it would be the best shade for me. I don't know, we're gonna see. No, I don't think this is my shade, look at it. So right now I'm just kind of puffing it out. It's a medium to full. You guys, this is not my shade. What? It almost looks red. We're gonna put it on our face just for the sake of it, cause this ain't this right here. It's too red for me. Like I see a lot of undertones of red. This was the only shade that looked like it would be my shade. Like it's working for the sake of working. But I'm going to make a miracle because y'all already know what? I make miracles every Thanksgiving. If this had a yellow undertone, we'd be in a game. I already know when this oxidizes, it's gonna turn orange. I'm gonna look like fucking
Fuck Donald Trump.
That's how I'm gonna look. I'm gonna keep going because I need more coverage. I'm actually excited to try the concealer. If you're my complexion and you have a red undertone rather than yellow, then this would be for you, but no. I feel like right now I look like I have a sunburn. I literally look like I got slapped in the face. Okay, the concealer that I got was in the shade 113. This is the total coverage. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Interesting. So it looks like this. Oh my God. Put it under our eyes like this. I feel like this is so, where's the sanitation? I guess you could just wipe it off. So the color of this concealer looks cool. Gotta bring it on our forehead. I mean, the concealer so far is really creamy. I actually like it. And since our face is kind of too red, I'm gonna also bring it right here. So far, I mean, it looks cool. I'm gonna blend out our stash. Okay, so BH Cosmetics definitely has great brushes. So for the price, you know, I'm liking what I'm seeing, but they didn't have my foundation shade. The concealer kind of dries a bit fast, but it's full coverage and minimal under eye creasing without me setting it, you know? And it helped even and balance the ugly foundation shade. And y'all see how much I put it all over my face. I just kind of want y'all to see me fixing the mistakes. And I'm using my brush from BH Cosmetics. I have a full review on BH Cosmetics affordable brushes. Definitely check it out. You're gonna love that video. Because if one thing BH Cosmetics is good for, it's their brushes. My under eye kind of smudged a little, so the concealer, probably can't see, but the concealer is smudging. Something you're definitely not looking for when choosing foundation. I mean, it looks cool. Let me kind of look up close so I can really see what I'm working with. The foundation looks pretty flawless. It's just the fact that it's not my shade, so I really can't get over that. But for the most part, my skin looks nice. After I set my under eyes, this under eye looks a bit dry. However, I am gonna try this concealer again with like my NARS or another foundation, you know, that I actually like. But overall, my impressions are my skin looks nice, so the foundation is actually really good. The concealer dries pretty fast. However, I do want to try it with like my NARS concealer. I do want to try it with my NARS foundation. I don't know, I want to give this concealer a second try because I actually liked the color. And I got the shade 113 in the, but overall, it's not bad. So if this is your budget, you know, it's pretty good foundation. I don't think I'm going to be using the foundation ever again. Let me get one more look. You know, yeah, looking up close at my skin, well, I'm having a little bit of separation where I'm talking, like my jawlines, around my nose, under my eyes are definitely creasing. So that could be because the concealer, it dried really fast. It's not bad, you know, but it's just not the best. I wouldn't pick this up again. If this is your budget, it's not bad, you know? Like, I've tried worse makeup. Am I rocking or am I rolling? I'm rolling. And rolling is not we're rolling out, you know? Rocking is, yeah, I'm rocking with it. Rolling is we rolling out. So am I rocking or am I rolling with this foundation? I have to say I'm rolling, and I'm rolling with this concealer too. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. And be sure to check out my full face using the vegan and cruelty-free brushes because I'm sure you're gonna love it. You guys can see the foundation is not bad, but yeah, see you guys next time.
That I got him twerking with me and his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man,